videos. So I've done a lot of science experiment videos as well as a lot of different videos. So in today's video, I'll be actually producing carbon dioxide, which is CO2, and it's a kind of a hard process. I've already done a video almost like this one, but I didn't aim on getting carbon dioxide out of it and taking it aside, but I aimed to just mix the two ingredients and produce it. So the video's link will be right here. Just click here and you will get to the video. And let's go to today's video right now. So first of all, the ingredients you need for producing carbon dioxide are vinegar, which is an acid, and baking soda, which is a base. So let me introduce about this. So vinegar contains acetic acid, which is CH3CO2H, and baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate. It has IUPAC name called sodium hydrogen carbonate. And vinegar being an acid and baking soda being a base, this contains acetone, which is an acid, and this contains a base, which is sodium bicarb. So when we mix them both, the acid-base reaction takes place, which gives out salt and water as a result. So first of all, I'm going to just pour this vinegar into a spray bottle right here. And also sodium bicarbonate baking soda, that is known as NaHCO3. So that much, or maybe a bit more, should be enough. And I'm keeping a bit aside so that I want to pour that at the end, because baking soda takes its time to dissolve. So as soon as I drop this in, I should do a process. So that I have a setup right here of straws. I have two straws and I've attached one end to the other, and this is the smaller end inside, and this is the long other straw, and this is the longer end. So I can just bend this like this and bend this end like this. So it will form kind of a chain that will help me do everything better. So I'm going to drop this in like this. So the carbon dioxide formed in this go through the straw and it will go to this glass right here. So I'm going to keep my setup ready as I have the jar closer right here with the hole on top, which was auto-built. So I'm just gonna place it in through like this, and this is tight enough to not let any air out. And I'm just gonna close this, and as soon as I close this baking soda, after putting it in, of course, then this carbon dioxide will get to this glass, which I'm going to prove you is carbon dioxide. So let's go into the process. So I'm going to make this setup by adding the sodium bicarb into this for now. I think a bit more is needed, so how can I take it in one spoon? I should do it in a speed motion so that I don't miss a spot. So keeping this ready, and let's go. So as soon as this happens, I'm just gonna close it up and put the straw here, which will let everything work well. And everything's working well. Our carbon dioxide is from this going through the straw and hitting this glass. So I'm going to prove you that it's completely carbon dioxide. You all know that fire can be distinguished using carbon dioxide, and fire extinguisher contains carbon dioxide. So if fire gets oxygen, it burns higher, and if it's with air, it goes normal. So I'm going to prove you this is carbon dioxide because I have a matchstick right here, and I'm going to burn this suddenly and drop it in this. And what do you absorb? It just disappears. And let's see. When we add it to another glass with nothing right here, it still burns. Just look at that. That proves that this contains carbon dioxide. So I'm going to try it again to see just the carbon dioxide is in or what. So let's try. Oh. Carbon dioxide is still in, making this go out. So that's how it works. So let's just try it again to prove it's completely carbon dioxide. Just look at that. It suddenly disappears. And also carbon dioxide is heavier than air, making it stand still. As well as the smoke there is standing still. So let's try a double of the matchsticks. So just look at that. That both the matchstick just went out easily because it's carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used in every extinguisher possible to make it out. So that's how it works. So I've proved it's carbon dioxide, and I can prove you no longer because when we add baking soda and vinegar right here, it just mixes to produce an acid-base reaction producing water and salt, as well as it produces a bit of exothermic reaction, but I couldn't show you that much because you couldn't feel the temperature right here. Still, I can show you that it's carbon dioxide 100% because it just went out easily. No other gases can extinguish fire this easy. So it's 100% carbon dioxide, and I've showed you how to form carbon dioxide. Even you can do it at home. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Here are some smoke. I'm pouring carbon dioxide gas into the candle right here. It just went off easily. It's gas, not nothing else. So let's try it again by lighting the candle. So the candle is lighted up. Now let's add our solution of vinegar and baking soda, which contains carbon dioxide. It disappears. It's all carbon dioxide, nothing water. It's completely carbon dioxide. Let's try it again. Adding a bit of sodium bicarbonate again into it. And this shall form a bit more. Just lighting up the candle again for the formation. And adding a bit of vinegar to form it up, and not adding the water, just the carbon dioxide. It disappeared. So that's how we use carbon dioxide to extinguish fire. And thanks for watching this video.